Hi Leo, I hope you're doing well. So, this is going to be your first half of October reading, and this is what I got when I meditate. So, we do have the Chariot, Hierophant, Ace of Pentacles, Emperor, Hangman, Queen of Cups, Seven of Wands, Fool, Wheel of Fortune, and the Four of Cups. And bottom of the deck, we got Six of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles, and the Devil. So, Leo, I do feel that there is clarity needed within in the situation. It's all about being true to yourself. Break through the mental conflict. Something is not working out right now in your situation, and that you are not satisfied with right now. Your wishes are unfulfilled within a possible long term relationship. Someone here could be very manipulative, being selfish, as you as you holding onto your spirituality, going down the best path for you. And I feel like you are now breakthrough. You are not settling for anything less with the Seven of Wands here. You're putting the boundaries within yourself. New beginnings is coming in regardless that we have Ace of Pentacles energy. So doors are opening for you. The Hierophant thus represent going down the spiritual path. I think that you are already facing a lot of fears, right? Going through the unknown. This is the facing a lot of challenges, overcoming. So much aligned and standing in your ground or need to protect yourself. Could be a solid foundation that has an opportunity to be long term. Success is there. The Emperor is what talking about as selfish manipulative energy. I don't feel like yeah, your challenge is for Emperor. Your challenge. It's in the challenge position. So this could be maybe a husband or an ex-husband or an ex-partner here. But the Emperor is showing very disruptive energy here. I do feel like this person you are dealing with could be operating from their ego by their shadow side, and they wanting a need to control or the situation over the situation. This Emperor can be very hard to be around, and I feel like that's why you needed to protect yourself, thus because they are coming as very dark person with the Devil here. The Devil is here, so if they are coming up very manipulative, betrayal, addictions, aggressions type of energy in some way, because they are operating by their devil side, their toxic side, like addiction, aggression, toxic traits. We do have the Hangman here is in the mutual energy, so there is some surrendering going on in this situation, but it feels very stagnant, really not knowing which way to go. There is the process here, you are looking within the answers here. The Queen of Cups and the Fool. Now this person knows you are very intuitive, loving, caring, and have water in their chart, like Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or in your chart. For some of you, this could be that person moving towards new beginning here with the Fool is here, and or wanting a new start with you, wanting to start over again. However, what you don't see coming is the Wheel of Fortune, which is the change, the universe intertwined, protecting you, which is leading you to in the path, because you are standing so strong here. And this person puts you down, manipulating, put the blame on you, not take any responsibility at all. So I'm saying that it's very selfish energy. That what you knowing looks like. They are wanting to leave behind the past and wanting to start a new beginning with you, but still operate with this. There's a lot of work to be done with this Emperor, lot of things that have to face with this devil energy, but the wheel is coming. Now the outcome is big, life changing. There is a shift in the life that's happening now with the Four of Cups. Someone could be showing looking at you as the missed opportunity here. Both could be looking at each other, mostly just frustrated, unhealthy attachment are going at this time. This is the protection, this is a potential outcome, but it looks like this change can really be like they are looking at you, just a missed opportunity. So Leo, get some love messages. Watch out the other signs to get the full clear picture of your situation. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the red bell icon for the notification. So let's get some messages of love. Okay. Bottom of the deck, you got boundaries. Firm boundaries are needed now. I told you, you put the boundaries within yourselves. Warning, don't dismiss the red flags here. Definitely this person is a red flag. Time apart. Some distance will help bring clarity. Forgiveness. Forgiving yourself or another will help to move forward. Regret. Someone feels remorse for the way treated you. Definitely this person is not your type person, and definitely this is a red flag here. There's forgiveness. Maybe you are forgiving them and move towards your happiness. The Fool and the Wheel of Fortune is here. You are moving towards your happiness. You stand so firm, so strong in your situation to deal with this situation, this person. Regret. Yeah, I think like this person, someone feels remorse for the way. I think like this person is regretting what they did to you in the past. So Leo, that's all for today. I hope it resonates to you. If it resonates, please hit the subscription button and the red bell icon for the notification and updates. See you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.